party people? It's your girl Tiffany back at you again with another video. And today, you guys, I'm coming to you with this video. It is my grandmother's 94th birthday. And today, you guys, I'm just going to be doing a simple vegetable tray. So, you guys, stay tuned to this video. And I'll see if I can get my granny on here. But I'll let you guys later. Okay, you guys. I'm going to be doing the cracker tray. So here's the tray. And I'm going to use... And here are the crackers. I got some circle crackers, entertainer crackers, some clubhouse square crackers, and like a Ritz cracker. So let's get these crackers on the tray. Okay, I'm gonna start with my vegetable crackers, and I'm just gonna put them in the tray like this. And this is a good idea for New Year's Eve tray too, you guys. So these are vegetable crackers. And next, I think I'm going to do the Ritz crackers. Okay. And then I got my square crackers, butter crackers. And I'm just going to keep going around with these crackers, you guys. Okay, so I got the crackers on the tray, and now I'm going to add the shredded cheese to the middle, you guys. Okay, you guys, so this cracker tray is halfway done, and what I'm going to do is add some pepperonis in this slot right here. But I'll be back to show you guys the finished tray. Okay, guys, here is the cracker tray, and I got pepperonis on there. I decided to switch it and add pepperonis on this tray, and chunks of cheese, shredded cheese, and then here's a vegetable tray. And these are good New Year's Eve tray ideas, you guys. Wait a minute, you said what? I don't care what they say. Don't leave off my page without subscribing to my channel.